How to get unlimited audiobooks for free. First step, go to Play Store, download Google Play Books. Once it is done, second step, go to Chrome, click on, type in ebookscartweb.com. In this website, you can download thousands of ebooks for free. Let's download any one book. Yeah, let's download this one. And make sure to download only EPUB format. Then only this thing works. Now click to proceed. Download again. Once it is downloaded, click on open. Then it will directly gets uploaded into Google Play Books. It will take some time, like 2-3 minutes. Now our book is uploaded into the Google Play Books. Now click on it. The conversion is successfully completed. To convert into audiobook, just click on these 3 dots and click on read aloud.
Right now, psychologists know quite a bit about these principles, what they are and how they work. I have characterized such principles as weapons of it.
That's it. Enjoy your audiobook. In the next video, we will talk about how to convert PDF into audiobook. Thank you.